Hi everyone, Karen Sitko here, Technology Coordinator at All Saints Academy. Today let's take a tour of the All Saints Academy mobile app. Our hope is that this app will put the school-related information you need on a routine basis right at your fingertips on your mobile device. Now, although this demo is being shown on an Android phone, the app is also available in the App Store as well as the Google Play Store. So it will work on any Android device or any iOS device. So let's tap on the app to open it up and see what we have here. It takes just a second to load there, and you can see that there are 6 main areas on the home screen: the calendar, a link to the Infinite Campus portal login screen, current lunch menus, any notifications that we have pushed out through this app, a link to lunch payments so that you can make your lunch payments through the RevTrack system online, and directions to both of our campuses. So most of these are pretty self-explanatory. I do just want to highlight one thing with the calendar, however. If I click on the calendar and it opens up all the dates that appear on our ASA community calendar, if you click on any one of these events, you not only get more detailed information, but you'll notice up in the upper right corner you can either share that event with someone, or the plus sign allows you to add that event to your own calendar. Now if I click the back arrow, that just takes me back a screen at a time, and if I keep clicking those back arrows, I of course eventually end up back to the home screen. Now there's an additional menu I want to call your attention to. The little pancake stack up here on the left, I'm going to click on that, and you'll see we have an additional menu. And most of these items are also pretty self-explanatory. The first is a link to our ASA Today blog. The news is a link to the announcements on the homepage of our website. Smart Tuition is a link for you directly to Smart Tuition so you can make payments to your tuition or fees. Social media, though, I'd like to highlight that for a moment, so let me click on social media. We have at All Saints Academy 4 social media accounts. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. You do not have to have an account with any one of these social media platforms in order to see what we post. Here in this app, if you click on any of these, whether or not you have an account with Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram, you can still see what we have posted. For example, I'm going to open up Instagram. I do not have an Instagram account, but you can see by clicking on that, I can see any one of the posts that we've made on Instagram. So that's just an additional way for you to see some of the events that we post on social media, complete with photos. Now if I click the pancake stack again, it's going to open up that menu for me again. The communications here is just a link on our website to the communications page where we list all of the parent messages that we send home. So if I click on that, you are going to see the page on our website where all of the communications and their coinciding links appear on our website. You can click on those to read them. So I'm going to click OK to head back from that page, hit my pancake stack again. I'm back at this menu. Feedback is a place for you to give feedback about the app. That feedback goes directly to the app company, not to us at All Saints Academy. And in settings, if I click settings, this is a place for you to make your own app settings. So for example, if you need technical support, again, that's technical support with the app company, not with All Saints Academy. If you wanted to recommend the application to, say, another parent who does not have the app, you could forward this app to them. And the little checkbox under notifications allows you to turn notifications on or off if you choose to. So again, I'm just going to hit my menu here. Clicking home takes me right back to the home page, and that is your whirlwind tour of the All Saints Academy mobile app. Please let us know if you have any suggestions or criticisms or comments in general about the app. We'd be happy to make whatever changes we are able to.